Today we are going to do an interesting activity using these hexagons. So we are going to build these hexagons, and for that you will need a pencil and scale, a sheet of paper. If it is a thicker one, it's preferable. You'll need some colors. So you'll need 6 different colors. It can be any colors, pencil colors, crayons or sketch pens or anything. And you'll need something that will help you to draw a circle. So it can be the any kind of cap, or it can be any bowl or something. So once you're done ready with these things, let's get started. And you'll also need a scissor for that. Yes, so a scissor. So let's get started with this. What you need to do is take a circular thing and just draw a circle on the sheet of paper. And once you have drawn the sheet of circle, you just have to cut that circle down. So this is a circle that we are ready with. What I want you to do is fold the circle into half, something like this. And now we'll try to cut it. So I want you to approximately cut it. We won't need an exact hexagon, but we'll try to match an hexagon as far as possible. So let me draw first a line that I want to cut, so that you can also have a look at. See, I'm cutting this much line from the circle. And then finally, I'll be cutting from this point to the tip, and from this point. So this way I have a hexagon with me. So I want you to make many such hexagons, but once you have decided your size and once you have cut from a circle, now no need to use this method. What you can do is just keep on tracing your hexagon, so that here you have your hexagon, and you can create, and then you can cut it, and you can create many such. Finally, you can color it with 6 different colors. So let me show you one. So once you are ready with your hexagon, you have to create multiple such hexagon, at least 5 to 10. And then once you are ready with all those 5-10 hexagons, we can move on to the activity further. So first create this hexagons, and then I'll show you what to do. And now as you multiply your hexagon cards and then you're having multiples ready with you, you have to just use them as a piece of puzzle. So what you can do here is, you can just try to create various random shapes, designs. You can imagine things that can be made from these hexagon cards. Let me show you an example here. So if you see here, I have tried to create a star using these hexagon shapes. Now you can create whatever you want. You can just either create some designs, or you can just create different things or objects using this. So you just have to figure out what you are going to do, and so random designs or shapes or objects that you can create. So the challenge is you have to use this hexagon cards, as many as you can build it, and try to create different unique designs or objects. You can just imagine that this is the object that I have created, and just let us know in the comments or on WhatsApp with the photograph that this is what I am thinking of this or imagining this as, and this is what I have created. So try to build as many cards as possible. Here I have built a few, about 6-7 of these. You can build more and create a big complex kind of object. So go for it.